What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? We have huge news here, guys. Huge news. I'm in a fantastic mood right now. You're looking at the market right now. You're saying, Rob, the market is red. Why the hell? Well, there's some green, I suppose. But you're like, why the hell are you in such a great mood? Well, guys, two things. We got some massive breaking news from Jasmy and Janction. Finally, people can stop complaining about that. And over on the Patreon, over the last hour and a half or so, we were doing a live over on the Patreon, and we happened to stumble across a gem. So we called the gem over on the Patreon. Everyone over on the Patreon just made an over 200% return in less than an hour. That's why you want to be over on the Patreon, guys. You're missing out on the live calls over on the Patreon. You're missing out on these gems that we're calling. Imagine you had made a 200% return in less than an hour, right? Guys, you got to be over on the Patreon. I'm telling you, we are nailing these things. So while you're seeing red everywhere, everyone over the Patreon just made a small fortune. Everyone's dry powder, fresh powder supply was just refreshed, right? They now have more dry powder to dollar cost average into all of their altcoins, right? Get over to the Patreon, guys. You missed a hell of a night. That's why you want to be over there. And we do this on a regular basis, guys. So check it out. The link's down below. Let's get into what's going on with Janction. So Jasmy right now up 0.1% on the day, up 2.2% on the week, down 25.7 on the month, and up 262 on the year. Even in rank at 75, $1.08 billion market cap, and 53 million in volume. Going over to XCN, what do we got? Down 8.3% on the day, 14.3 on the week, up 716 on the month, and 1198 on the year. Down 5 spots in rank to 98 to $754 million market cap and 106 million in volume. Where is my Swift Coin? Down 4.8% on the day, down 2.8 on the week, up 238 on the month, and up 632 on the year. Down 4 spots in rank to 242, $201 million market cap, 21 million in volume. Guys, volume is very low across the board on all of these projects. Well, on everything, on the whole market, right? So, all right. What do we have? Let's go over and look at Jasmy's chart here on the weekly time frame, guys. Weekly time frame. Let's get rid of some of this garbage. All right, so we are continually in an upward trajectory here on Jasmy, guys. This is the weekly time frame, right? We're sitting here putting in. People are like, "Oh, the price isn't doing anything. It's not doing anything." Guys, look at this. Look at this for a second, would you? We have been doing nothing but putting in higher lows and higher highs. That's right. What do you see here? You see a constant and consistent upward trajectory in Jasmy over the last year. This is the last year, guys, okay? We have continued to put in those higher lows and higher highs. We are in a macro bullish structure here, guys, okay? And it's only going to continue. In fact, we're nearing the bottom of this range right now, right? My target for the next move up is right around 6 cents. So strap in, guys, because I believe Jasmy is set and ready to go. We just need the green light from the market, from the Fed. We need to see that money printer, or all we really need to hear. We don't even need the money printer turned on at this point, guys. All we really need is the Fed to tell us that they're stepping away from QT, quantitative tightening. The Bank of Canada just did that, just announced that about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. So is the U.S. right behind them? Because before the U.S. started cutting rates, Canada cut their first 25 basis point rate cut, rate cut, about the month before the U.S. did. So will this follow suit? And with Canada announcing this month, will the U.S. announce next month that they're stepping away from QT? that would be a signal to the market that we can start moving towards risk on assets once again. So I'll be paying attention for that, first of all. All right, so XCN looks good inside of its bullish structure. Just like I said, nothing has changed here. Sitting around that 2 cent 3.2 level. Things are looking good. Things are looking healthy. My breakout target up here around that 4 cents 5.5. Maybe consolidate up around that level for the next leg up. Not too bad, not too bad. And what about Swift Coin? All right, so on the daily time frame, Swift Coin just kind of chugging along, still inside the same type of bullish structure that we have for XCN. Going down to the smaller time frames, the 8-hour just ping-ponging inside of here, guys, right? Ping-ponging along, looks fantastic. Things look good. This was a terrible day. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Anyways, look like stairs, right? Anyway, looking good, guys. We've in the last 4 8-hour candles, we've tested the top trend line every single time. We've rejected off of it. Hopefully we test it again in this 8-hour candle. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we don't reject to the downside, but that's entirely possible. We could come down to like 1.5 cents, guys, and still be inside this bullish structure. So all you can really do is take advantage of the dips, right? As much as you might not want to hear that, it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. So, all right, so let's go look at Bitcoin before we get into the Janction news, shall we? Bitcoin, oh look, sideways. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This Bitcoin chart is absurd, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row of sideways action here for Bitcoin. I believe, again, we're going to be coming down between 85 and 91K. The only way to invalidate that, in my opinion, is start closing candles up here above $100,000. That's what I would be watching for. Until then, guys, it's just sideways, boring action. But I will say this. As long as Bitcoin stays neutral and goes sideways, I mean, technically, you could see breakouts in altcoins to the upside, right? Because Bitcoin's not really holding them back. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get any kind of altcoins popping off. Maybe we get a run on something, you know, we'll see what happens. But, or will we see Bitcoin finally break? Listen, something's got to give here on Bitcoin, guys. All jokes aside, something's got to give here in rather short order for Bitcoin. It's going to move violently to either the upside or the downside pretty soon. This is not normal. This doesn't just happen, right? Look at the battles here between the bulls and the bears, guys. It's intensifying. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. All right. The big news, the big kubasa. What's going on, guys? Check this out. Janction just tweeted out this. Janction, exciting news. Since launching our testnet, Janction has seen amazing feedback and hit some incredible milestones. 380K plus blocks, 2K plus new wallets, 384K plus transactions. Join the journey. So here's what it looks like, guys. Look at this swap. This is fantastic. Look at this. Boom. Here's the swap, guys. Look familiar? Yeah. Looks a lot like Bridgers, right? If I was to go over to, I'm going to bring up Swift's swap as well, right? Just want to show you how similar this is. Just let me pull it up here. Be patient with me. Be patient with me, man. Don't freak out. Come on. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay, so Swift's Bridgers. Here we go. So look at this. So this is Janction you're looking at right now, right? Very, very nice. Very, very nice. All right. And we'll go over to Swift's Bridgers. Boom. Look at that. I mean, this is a little prettier. Needs a little bit more design on Janctions, right? But the point is, we're finally getting somewhere, guys. We're finally getting somewhere. Finally, this stuff is starting to come out, right? That's what you want to see, guys. Janction Net Testnet. Okay, so what else do we have in terms of updates on it here? So from Icy Amphibian, Shout out to Icy. If you're watching this, let me know. Good to see you, brother. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for everything you do. Janction Testnet Explorer has the following tokens listed so far. They've got Jasmy, JCT, which is Janction, USDT Tether, and USDC Circle. I wonder if they're going to list RLUSD Ripple stablecoin. That would be very, very interesting. So far, this is what we have listed on there, guys. It's only going to continue to escalate. This is mega, mega bullish for me, guys. I'm jacked up. I'm excited about it. This is awesome. People have been waiting for some sort of an announcement. Now, you might be asking, why is this coming out at 1 o'clock in the morning, Rob? Well, it's 1 in the afternoon in Japan, right? So that's why it's coming out this time of day over there. So very, very bullish news, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Does this show you that we're moving in the right direction? Are you finally, have I shaken you out of your bearishness? Can you be a little bit more positive now? Let me know in the chat, guys. And listen, again, we just dropped another gem tonight. Everyone over on the Patreon made over 200+% profits, replenishing their dry powder supply to dollar cost average into their altcoins in these dips. You should be taking advantage of this, guys. You should be over on the Patreon. The link is down below. We were doing a live stream. We do live streams over there every night. We're doing a live stream. Bam. We found this gem. We got in on it. We made a small fortune. We got out. Bing, bang, boom. Less than an hour. Everybody's got money. You love seeing it, guys. That's how it should be done. That's how you lead a community. We have over 1,700 people in our community over there, guys. And listen, we're not even close to done, baby. We're not even close to done. So get over there, guys. Join the community. You're going to see the live chat. The chat in the live stream tomorrow afternoon on YouTube is going to be buzzing. Everyone's going to be excited. I'll tell you right now, because of all the profits they made, it's going to be fantastic. You're going to see what I'm talking about. You see I'm not lying, guys. Get over to the Patreon. Join our lives every single night over there. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally, guys. So get over there. We have a phenomenal community, a bunch of phenomenal community leaders, and so much more. Gamma Goddess, Jetpack, Go Time, Dumb Money, like the list goes on and on, man. We have a phenomenal community over there, guys. Get over there, and we also educate you on how to find these gems. We educate you on how to navigate crypto. Hot topic right now actually is teaching people how to operate hot wallets like the Coinbase wallet to be able to get in on these kind of gems early. So check it out, guys. Once again, the link is down below. 200+% in less than an hour. Do not miss out on these opportunities. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.